Red lentil, carrot and zucchini dal with brown rice. Prepare the ingredients. Finely dice 1 onion. Chop 1 garlic clove. Grate 1 carrot. Grate 1 zucchini. Grate 8 tomatoes. Heat a pot over a high heat. Add half a cup of water. Add the onion and garlic and saute for 1 minute. Add half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Add half a teaspoon of ginger powder. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir well. Add the tomatoes and stir well and simmer for 2 minutes. Add 2 cups of red lentils. Add 6 cups of water. Add the grated carrot. Add the grated zucchini. Mix well. Cover with a lid and bring to the boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Then stir well. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Add the juice of 1 lemon. Add salt to taste. Stir well and serve with cooked brown rice.